瞒天过海
Cross the sea undetected. It's a classic Chinese stratagem, but it's not about deception or harm. It's about creative persistence. Move steadily toward your goal without drawing premature attention. It teaches us quiet, consistent progress can achieve great things without resistance. It's about the subtle, thoughtful actions you take while others aren't watching. The sea isn't just water, it's the challenges in your growth, your business, and your relationships. If you improve one skill quietly each month, you become an expert unnoticed. If you test a small business idea in stealth, you refine it before competitors notice. If you nurture a relationship with steady kindness, you build trust without grand gestures. How to cross the sea undetected. First, move silently, think strategically, avoid announcing your plans too soon. Let your progress speak for itself. Second, build steadily, make small, consistent advancements under the radar, but toward a clear goal. Stay humble and observant. Remember, the sea is crossed wave by wave, not in one leap. Watch, learn, adapt, and keep moving. Let us read it.
瞒
To deceive or conceal. Second tone rising starts medium and rises to high.
瞒天
Sky or heaven. First tone high flat stays high and steady.
天过
To pass or to cross. Fourth tone falling starts high and sharply drops to low.
过海
Sea or ocean. Third tone falling rising starts low, dips down, then rises up.
海
Let us write the characters.
瞒
The character is of left-right composition, starting with the radical
木
I on the right, followed by its sound component.
瞒 天
It is a single component character. The top horizontal stroke is
一
It means one. It represents heaven or sky above. The lower part is the radical,
大
meaning big. Here, it represents a person or a great expanse.
过
It is of the semi-enclosure structure. Its inner part is
寸
which primarily serves as the phonetic component, which can mean inch, and can involve measuring or traversing a distance. Its outer part is the radical.
绰
This is the walk or movement radical.
海
It has the left-right structure, starting with the radical.
水
On the right-hand side is its sound component.
美瞒天过海
Cross the sea undetected.